daughter's here. And I'm on a little mission today. This is the state of my daughter's car, the 1996 9C1. Just for anybody, just for the few people that's been following the 9C1 Caprice build, this is where it's at right now. Basically, it's sitting with a flat tire and a dead battery. So, came over here on my bike, but the mission today is, these tires are old, they're hella old. So the mission today is to get this tire off, get the spare on, try to get 4 new tires. That's the goal for the day, and to charge this battery. It's been raining off and on. It's windy as hell. So we'll see how this video turns out. Alright, I'll fade this back in once something else happens. My daughter's in there getting ready. Like always, she wasn't ready to go. So she's getting dressed, she's getting ready. And today's going to be a start of a little adventure. Operation brand new tires and charge the battery. Well, good news. Got the battery out, it's charging. So we'll let this charge. Hopefully I won't have to buy a new battery. Took a little doing to get that little the battery post off the terminal of the car. But I got it. Note to self, next time I should have bought a battery with the side and top post. Makes it easier to charge. But the battery's charging, so that's half the battle won. Now it's on to taking off the tire. Are you ready to take off the tire?
Yeah.
Alright, you don't sound too enthusiastic.
I just woke up.
Okay, well, it's time to take off the tire. First step to this is I need a blanket or something to lay on so I don't have to lay on the dirt. Not that blanket. That's a good blanket. Go get one of them old blankets in the garage. You really want to use? That's the blankets you want to use?
That's what a washer and a dryer are for.
Oh, well, go show the people what blanket you want to use. Pull it on out. Oh, no, go pull it out. Show them the handmade blanket you want to use. Kids today, I don't know what's wrong with them. Alright. So, back to what I was saying. The mission for right now is to get this spare out and just hope and pray that it has air in the spare. If not, we're gonna have some problems. My daughter got a little sheet for me.
It's
And
already dirty.
that's cool. So her maniac dog is going crazy. But okay, I didn't want to throw it on the ground right now, but alrighty. So first step to this is getting the jack out and placing the jack where it's supposed to go. Yeah, but that's for power tools. We don't have none right now. I hear him. So this is my daughter. She's tightening in her. She's slowly raising the car up.
Look, Chief is coming back to his feet again.
Yes. What's the name of this car?
Chief.
She named the car Chief. So, but this video series is Operation Passing the Torch. I'm teaching her how to do this in case I'm not around. She will be able to change her flat on the side of the road. That is the goal. And I do give her extra points for doing this with the fancy nails.
Oh yeah, I deserve extra points for that.
Mm-hmm.
But they're coming off soon, so it's not a big deal.
So how do you feel? You're almost there. About 50% there to driving your car again.
I'm excited.
Uh-huh.
Because, I mean, driving mom's car is cool and all, but like, I don't have a connection with that car like I do with Chief.
Okay, no connection
No.
with the hoopty, huh? Or I'm sorry, the red pepper.
No connection with the red pepper.
I know, I'm sorry, red salsa. That's what it was.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so this is what's going on right now. This is going to take a minute, so we'll fade this back in once I get the car up, okay? How do you feel about this situation here?
Hard.
Good cardio?
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. Alrighty, we'll bring this back here in a second. Okay.
I can screw it out now.
You can try to screw with your fingers. So we're still at it. But this time we have a guest appearance. My daughter's dog. His name is Frankenstein. Frankenstein. Yes, this is Frankenstein. And yes, he is a maniac. Don't let the little calm stature fool you. That's because he's leashed up. So, 1 down, 4 more to go. So what do you think about this process so far?
I think I might need help with this one.
Alright, you hold the camera here.
Oh. I guess I was just doing it wrong.
There you go.
Thanks.
Well, we're getting there. Slowly but surely. We're getting there. Once we get this off, we'll put the spare on and away we go. So I'll fade this back in. Once we get further along, we'll call this Operation Getting Back in Motion, huh? And this time you won't sit in the car, listen to music, and run the battery dead, huh?
I didn't do that. Okay, I don't know why you keep saying I did that. I need help.
Yes, you need help, all right. All right, I'll bring this back here in a second, y'all. Now, actually, here's a monumental moment now. She got all the lugs up. She got all the lugs off. You can stand up. Now, for your first time, just snatch the tire off.
Huh?
Just grab it and pull it back.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What? He's making me nervous.
Just grab it and pull it back.
Is he gonna get crushed by the car?
No. Just grab it. There you go. Pull it.
Like that?
Yeah, pull it off.
Oh.
Okay, roll it out the way. Right there is good. So, sit over here. Look at the hands. The hands got dirty. How do you feel? You pulled your first rim off, tire off.
That's cool.
Okay. Now, here comes the hard part. Don't wipe them off yet. Hey, what are you doing, dog? All right, now grab the new one, take it out the trunk.
That. I can't.
You can.
No.
You can. This is a learning exercise if you're going to be by yourself. You know what I would do? I would stand in the trunk.
That's what I was thinking, but I thought you were gonna be like, why are you standing in the car?
No, you can do it. The goal is to do it however you do what you got to do. That's the goal. The goal is to do what you got to do to get it out the car. See? I knew you could do it. Now you want to get out before it rolls down the street and you lose it. All right, roll it around this way. Let's take it to the front of the car.
This way?
Yeah. See, aren't you proud of yourself? Did it all on your own. Independent woman, huh? You almost crushed your toes. Come on now, let's get together. This is the learning experience here.
I'm gonna run you over. Get out of my way.
Okay. Now, you want to roll over there by where you got put it on? Not on my leg? Yeah, that's the right way. Valve stem always goes out.
So this
The
way.
valve stem goes
Oh.
always out if you put the air in. Let's not knock the car off the lift or off the jack. See if you can.
Is the tire like not? It's good, right?
We'll find out once we lower it down. It's a 50-50 shot. It's gotta be better than what was on there. So, all right, get down.
Get down.
We gotta lift it up on there like you took the O-ring off. And you're better off trying to hold it with your legs. Maybe lift with your legs. Lift it up on there. You're going to line them 5 studs into that hole. So lift and push forward.
I don't know how I'm gonna. I can't do this.
There you go. All you gotta do is just turn it a little bit and push it to where the studs are going through the holes. Oh, you're so close. There you go. Now push it forward. Oh my. Push it all the way. Make sure you got it.
I think I got it.
Okay. Okay. Now put the lugs back on. See? Easy peasy, huh? But you're doing it though. That's the most important part. Now do it, oh yeah, go ahead. Just look, like that, just tighten it like that real quick. All right, that's good. We're gonna, well, we're gonna get these rest of these lugs on here, but you're getting pretty close now. You're getting pretty close. Pretty soon, we'll be in motion. Off to get the new tires.
At least I know how to change this.
What'd you say?
I said at least I know how to change this tire.
Okay. So, anything you got to say about the situation? No, I can't. All right. We'll bring this back once we get these 3 on. Oh, I'm sorry, 3. That sounds crazy. No, we gotta get all 5. Never drive with only 3 lugs.
Why?
Because your wheel falls off and then all hell break loose.
Oh.
And you gotta push it in a little bit. Loosen them up. Yeah, and push it in a little bit. You really shouldn't even tighten it down until you get them all in there. So, all right, we'll bring this back here in a second.
I changed my first tire and I'm very proud of myself.
Okay.
Walk out the plate. You need to walk it out when you edit.
That's too much work. Okay.
I can do that.
So, and
Can I cook chocolate?
no, not yet, because we're not all the way ready.
Oh yeah, we still need
The next step is we got to get the battery in here. So, let's go check on the battery. Okay, we're at 62%.
So now we wait.
I say we see what happens and try to start anyway.
I think we should wait.
Thanks for watching Hunter Spoke Riders. Subscribe today to not miss a video. You want to hit that little bell like so? Easy. Don't forget about the notifications. All you gotta do is go up there and click it just like that. Slide on down there, hit that save button, and then you won't miss a video. It's that easy.